Good morning, students. Here we are with the continuation of Act 5, Scene 1. In yesterday's video, I had told you all about the first part of Act 5, Scene 1, where Prospero is in conversation with his daughter, Miranda, and he is telling her how they came to this particular island. At the same time, Prospero, from the beginning, from the time he has taken control of Ariel, he has promised to give Ariel his freedom. So, for one last time, he is taking the services of Ariel, commanding him to do one last duty for him, and after that, he would be given his freedom. Ariel is delighted that in a short while he would be free out of the clutches of Prospero. He is dreaming as to when he gets his freedom, how he will spend his freedom, where he'll go, how he'll relax, how he'll spend his days. So we were at that point. Approximately, I think, line number 95. I'll continue from the dialogue of Prospero now. Okay. So the dialogue says that, "Why, that's my dainty Ariel. I shall miss thee, but yet thou shalt have freedom." So Prospero is also very, very upset, melancholy at Ariel being given his freedom, and he's telling Ariel that, "Why, it is my charming Ariel. I shall miss you." He says, "We have been so attached to each other. I will miss you, but you will have your freedom." "That's right, thank you." He says, "But nevertheless, you will get your freedom." "That's right, thank you." Then, "To the king's ship, invisible as thou art, there shalt thou find the mariners asleep." Now he's once again giving one more work to Ariel, and he says, "Now go." He's telling Ariel to go to the ship of king, and there all the sailors are put to sleep by the power of magic. So he says, "Now go to the king's ship, invisible as you are now," meaning in the same form as Ariel. There, he said, "there you shall find the sailors all asleep below the deck." They will all be below the deck, all in a unconscious state of mind, sleeping. Then, under the hatches, that is the deck, the front part of the ship is the deck, the master and the boatswain being awake enforced them to this place. He says, "Then, when you see them sleeping, you wake up the master, that is the captain, and the boatswain. These two people are the most important. Wake them up. After they get back their senses, regain their senses, bring them along with you to my cave." Okay, awake, make them come here and do this now, I beg. He says, "This is very important, so please do this one last favor for me." Ariel is very, very impatient for his freedom. "I drink the air before me and return." Ariel says, "I will fly very, very quickly and return before your pulse has time to beat twice." Imagine, he said, "I'll go in a jiffy, and before your heart could beat for the second time, which is seconds, I will be back after doing this work." Gonzalo, old Gonzalo, okay. "All torment, trouble, wonder, and amazement inhabits here. Some heavenly power guide us out of this fearful country." Now Gonzalo is in a bad state of mind, very confused, very nervous, very afraid. And he's saying every type of torture on this island, from the time they have come, they have witnessed different types of tortures here. Okay, so he says every type of torture, trouble seems to exist here meaning on this island. "May some heavenly power guide us out of this terrible place." And he is wishing to God, praying to God earnestly that some type of heavenly power comes here and takes them out from this torturous situation. Okay. Prospero, "Behold, Sir King, the wrong Duke of Milan, Prospero." Now is the time where Prospero, after giving them their senses back, he is introducing himself again, once again, and he's telling them, "Behold, O king," because the king is there in front of him. The king is more senior to him. Prospero is only a duke. Okay, he says, "Behold, O king, the injured Duke of Milan, Prospero." Okay, he says, now he is introducing, telling him, the king, that I am the injured Duke of Milan, meaning that I am the duke whose dukedom was taken away by you all. Okay. For more assurance than a living prince does now speak to thee. He says, to give you assurance, to give you like a type of a guarantee that it is a creature of flesh and blood now speaking to you, I embrace you with me. Just in case you don't believe that I am Prospero, I would like to confirm it, reaffirm it, that I am Prospero, and I would like to hug you, embrace you. Okay, I embrace thy body, and to thee and thy company I bid a hearty welcome. So the king is the main person. It says, I welcome you and the other nobility who have come along with you. You all are most welcome to this island. Okay, Alonso, the king, whereas thou beest he or no, or some enchanted triple to abuse me. Now Alonso is very confused, and he says, whether you are Prospero or not. He can't believe his eyes that it is actually Prospero, and he tells him, whether you are Prospero or not, or some enchanted, meaning, or whether you are some type of spirit on this island taking the form of Prospero, okay, to deceive me, I do not know, but your pulse beats as if you were a man of flesh. But the way your pulse is beating, it seems that you are human, you are not a spirit. Okay, so I know not, thy pulse beats as of flesh and blood. He says your pulse is beating like a human being, so you can't be a spirit, you are a human being. And since I saw thee, the affection of my mind amends. He says, from the time I have seen you, okay, the sickness of my mind has improved. He says, I have been in a terrible, terrible state of mind, but after seeing you, my entire system, the body, my thoughts have all started to improve. I am feeling much, much better after encountering you and after seeing you. Now why is this? Because Prospero, with his magical power, has somehow got them to be normal, taken out the trance that they were under, and slowly but surely they're all regaining their senses. Okay, so he says, the affection of a mind amends, with which I fear of madness held me. He says, till lately I thought I was under some spell, but now I am normal. All my senses are here. I have regained my consciousness, and I am feeling much, much better. This must crave, and if this be at all a most strange story, it says, okay, if all that I see, if it is not a dream, say whatever I see, if it is not a dream, then it must be a strange story that you are to tell us. Meaning, then if it's not a dream and if it's all in reality, then the story that you will tell us seems to be a very, very strange story. Okay, thy dukedom I reign, and do entreat thy pardon me my wrong. Now he is in a form of repentance, King Alonso, and he says, at this very moment I will return to you your dukedom, and I bow down in front of you for forgiveness for the wrongs we have done to you and your daughter. As a king, he is asking for forgiveness from Prospero. So he said, thy dukedom I resign, meaning I am giving it back to you. You will be once again the Duke of Milan. Thou pardon me my wrongs, but how should Prospero be living and be here? He says, but I am ready to do all this, but I would also at the same time like to know that how you reach this island, how you are alive, and different things of your past I would like to know, because what we did to you, we did it with the purpose to eliminate you, to kill you and get you out of our way. But here we come, and here we have encountered you, and I would like to know what has happened and how all this has come to pass. Okay. So, living and be here, Prospero says to Gonzalo. Then Prospero talks to Gonzalo. First, noble friend, let me embrace thee, thine age. First, he's saying, first out of all, I would like to embrace Gonzalo because of my respect for his age, whose honor cannot be measured or confined. And he is telling them that Prospero has been so honest, and the honor that I should bestow on him should be open and everyone should know. Okay, be measured or confined. So we'll do up till here on each round 120 line. Okay, I'm going slow because this is our last scene, last act of the Tempest. So we don't have to hurry. But my request to all of you is that y'all, every time y'all see the video I send y'all, try to understand. And if y'all have any doubts, any type of queries, any type of things y'all would like to know, get it clarified and get your doubts cleared, so that I could be of some help to y'all also. And y'all start, because now we are really reached the end of our syllabus, end of our course, just a few videos more and practically our syllabus will be complete also. So I want that you all start seriously, earnestly getting down to your books now and be good children and respond, as well as let me know your problem. With that, I think goodbye. God bless.